So guys, welcome to Car and Bikes Guide, and this is the time where we are at Purparganj, Volkswagen, and we are about to unveil this beast, Volkswagen Virtus. So here we have unveiled the GT variant of Volkswagen Virtus. So here is the red color of this beast. So guys, here we have Virtus with us on the display at Volkswagen Purparganj, and here is the GT top variant automatic 7-speed DSG gearbox with us, and here is the front look of this Virtus, and you can see this is here in the red color. On the front, the design of the VW, that is the same, that is a clean or neat design, and here is the grille with twin chrome lining on the grille at the front, and here is the new logo of the VW and here is the badging of the GT, and here you can see the projector LED headlamps with LED turn indicators. This is the L-shaped DRL daytime running lights, and you can see here is a lot of chrome treatment has been done on the front. So here you can see that is a glossy black panel which is available alongside the fog lamps, front fog lamps, and here you can see it looks really muscular, and the build quality is amazing. Build quality is top notch, and we are here at the side. You can see the GT badging on the fender that is available, and here is the black alloy wheels which is provided with this sedan, and you can see the red brake calipers as well. And this GT variant is equipped with the black alloys. You can see that is amazing, and that is a 16-inch wheels which is available. So here you can see the chrome lining which is also there on the door handles, and you can see the chrome lining towards the C pillar towards the end, which basically enhances the look of the car. And you can see the badging of Volkswagen is also on the door, and on the top sunroof is available, and this car comes with blackout roof with shark fin antenna. So at the rear we can see that here is the rear defogger stop lamp, that is a boot lip spoiler. Here is the VW badge that is available, and here is the interesting things to see, that is a smoky LED tail lamps that is available. And here we are about to open the boot. You can see the badging of Virtus, and that is a mighty 521 liters of boot space that is available. You can see that. Now we come here. Here is the fuel cap filler is available. So this car looks more premium, and it also increases in its dimensions as well. That is a great upgrade on the Virtus sedan over the Vento. That looks amazing. Now we are about to enter in the interior. Let's take you all towards the interior. So guys, here we are entering in the interior of the VW Virtus, and here is the cabin, and here is the digital cockpit of the sedan, and you can see here is the ambient lighting of red color which is available in the GT variant. So the cabin is premium, plush, rich, and the build quality is top notch as always. And you can see This new steering wheel, there is a flat bottom steering wheel, new VW logo, audio media controls, cruise control is available. And you can see the red accents which is available on the dashboard to enhances the look, because that is a treatment which has been done in the GT variant. And here you can see, let me see, so basically here are the, you can see the wiper or wipers controls, and so indicator control here available with us. And here is the paddle shifters as well, because that is a 7-speed dual clutch automatic. And you can see the sunroof is available with us. And here we do not have vanity mirror at the driver side. Vanity mirror passenger side is available. LED lighting is available at the front. So guys, this car is really amazing. So this is a glove box which is available, and that is a 7-speed DSG push button start stop available. Ventilated seats are there. This car equipped with 6 airbags as well. So guys, this is the front look of the interior of VW. Here is the look of the digital cockpit of the Volkswagen Virtus. Here is a digital cockpit, you can see that. It's amazing to see the whole look of the dashboard. You can see that it's flawless, it's mind-blowing. So guys, here we are at the rear seat of the VW Virtus, and here you can see the LED lights available at the rear. Sitting comfort is really good, and a lot of space is available here. So guys, you can see here is the 3 adjustable headrests is also there. Center armrest is also there with 2 cup holders. That's amazing. So here you can see overall the car has been increased in the inside the space as well. Inside spaces has also increased because of the extended wheelbase. So wheelbase has also increased, and the dimensions, overall dimensions has already been increased over the Vento. That is a huge upgradation in the segment, and this car brings tough competition for its rival. So guys, this car is really good, and here is the whole look of the car which I have shown you here. So let's go outside, guys. So guys, this is the whole look of the car which I have shown you here in this blog, and this car is amazing. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Keep loving, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give support to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and relatives. Thank you so much. Cars and Bikes Guide, thank you so much. Bye bye.